What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best diesel fuel additive. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Hotshot's Secret Diesel Extreme. Cleans fuel system. Deeply cleans any diesel engine's fuel system, including injectors, cylinders, fuel lines, tank, and tank-in-one fuel treatment lasting up to 6,000 miles. Cleans fuel injectors. Safely removes and prevents internal diesel injector deposits, EDITs, external diesel injector deposits, EDITs, and other forms of varnish and deposits. Boosts cetane. Increases cetane by up to 7 points after the fuel system is fully cleaned, for an even more effective boost in combustion, fuel economy, and engine power while reducing DPF regens. Increases mileage. Maximizes your MPGs and helps you save at the pump by improving engine performance and fuel combustion, so you can get the most out of your diesel fuel. Stabilizes and prevents rust. Disperses moisture. Keeps diesel healthy using a military-grade non-alcohol-based water dispersant plus rust and corrosion inhibitors.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is STA-BIL Diesel Fuel Stabilizer. You've likely already heard of STA-BIL for its gasoline engine products, be that a car you park for the winter or your lawn and garden gas-powered equipment. But the company makes a fuel stabilizer for diesel engines too. As diesel fuel ages, it can oxidize, gather bacteria, and even grow fungus. STA-BIL Diesel Formula Fuel Stabilizer works to bond with that water, keeping the fuel fresh in the tank for up to a year. That means fewer worries about starting your engine after it's been parked for a long time. Ideal for seasonal diesel engine use, say a farm truck that sits much of the winter or your diesel RV. This recommendation won't prevent gelling, so if your diesel needs to start in the extreme cold, you might look into STA-BIL's other winter-specific products. The fuel treatment also can be used with every tank in order to help clean and lubricate your fuel system. It's safe for diesel and biodiesel fuels.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Hotshot's Secret Diesel Extreme. Diesel Extreme is a fully formulated concentrated cleaner that removes all internal diesel injector deposits, EDITs, including waxy and polymeric deposits. In addition, Diesel Extreme contains a top-tier level of cetane booster, lubricity additive, and fuel stabilizer to provide maximum performance while cleaning the fuel system. Dirt and water in your fuel system steal the power from your diesel. Your engine needs extreme cleaning. Hotshot's Secret Diesel Extreme is a powerful formula designed to rejuvenate your diesel fuel system's performance. Add a dose of Diesel Extreme at your next fill-up and your engine's fuel system will be cleaned, restored, and boosted to its original performance power. Fuel detergents commonly have 5 elements: rust and corrosion inhibitor, cetane booster, fuel stabilizer, metal deactivator, and detergent and dispersant. Most fuel detergent products on the retail shelf are a boost now, die later product. They contain minimal cleaners and maximum boosters so that the driver experiences only a short-term boost. Trying to boost a dirty fuel system is ineffective. Hotshot's Secret Diesel Extreme is designed to support a clean then boost strategy. Diesel Extreme is unsurpassed in its cleaning power and will cleanse your whole system, including cylinders and lines. It will restore your fuel system components to their original cleanliness and prepare them for a maximum response when Diesel Extreme Cetane Booster kicks in.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Hotshot's Secret Diesel Anti-gelling Formula. Reduces the formation of wax crystals in diesel fuel during cold weather, to keep fuel flowing smoothly and prevent it from clogging the system or fuel filter. Improves cold starts, significantly enhances cold weather performance and disperses moisture to prevent fuel line freeze-ups, even in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeps fuel system healthy. Acts as a fuel injector cleaner and lubricity additive to reduce engine wear and keep your vehicle healthy, efficient, and performing at peak capacity. Boosts cetane. Improves vehicle performance by boosting cetane up to 7 points and helping any diesel engine to burn fuel efficiently, no matter the weather. Improves combustion. Maximizes your MPGs and reduces DPF regens, helping you save at every fill-up by keeping your fuel system at peak performance and your diesel fuel at top quality.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Hotshot's Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. The Hotshot's EDT, Everyday Treatment, was the second product we used. The level in the bottle is clearly visible, and the built-in measurement device on the top of the bottle is excellent. This is the best measurement device I have seen incorporated into these types of products. You open the cap, and squeeze the bottle until it fills the top to the indicator mark. It is easy to use, and guarantees consistency. We used the maintenance dosage with the Hotshot Secret EDT, since we went through the cleaning stage when using the Diesel Clean product. The maintenance dose is 1 ounce per 25 gallons of diesel fuel. Therefore, you get treatment for 16 refills at the pump when you buy a 16-ounce bottle. Using the average of 20 gallons for each of our refills at the pump, and the recommended maintenance dosage of 1 Oz/25 gallons, the added overall cost to the refill is approximately $1.12. The added average cost per gallon is approximately 6 cents. That is very good.